Hello, hello. I got my Amazon Prime Days order in and I thought we could unbox it together. First things first, I've already put on this tank top. It is one of those viral tanks that has the built-in shelf bra, and let me tell you, they're popular for a reason. It is so supportive, and there go the dogs. These saggy babies are feeling pretty perky today. I also picked it up in a solid black that's high neck, so let me try that one on for you. It is so cute. I am in a size medium in both, and they have like a shelf on it, like the elastic, and then it has padding as well. The padding is removable, but honestly, I think that's what actually makes it feel like a bra. So I'm gonna keep it in there. I really, really like it. They are true to size. If you want more compression though, you can size down. Okay, speaking of bras, you know that I rarely wear them. Anything to keep you from having to put on a bra, right? And so I got my Tried and True little nipple covers here. This is a dupe of the Nippies. I'm so sorry about the dogs. It is complete chaos at my house. Anyway, I have tried the Nippies and these are like identical. They are like a third of the cost, so you get 2 pair versus 1. And then I grabbed these. These are the same thing, but they're a little bit smaller just depending on what your needs are. I think this is the 4th time that I've ordered these. They are reusable. So they're a silicone material, and so you can take off the backing here. So this part is sticky. This is the part that goes on your boob, and then this part is not. And you can see it has like seamless, like there's absolutely no seam whatsoever. I can get away with wearing 1 pair for probably 2 months before the stick kind of loses its grip. All you have to do after you wear them is wash them off with a little hand soap, let them dry overnight, and then stick them back on in the morning. So that is, if you're wondering why I have to like reorder, I reorder every now and then, but like not a lot. And it keeps me from having to wear the dang bra, which I love. And then just to show you this, in this pack, you actually get 6 pair. I use the smaller ones normally whenever I have like oversized things that I just don't want a nip slip on. And then I use the larger ones whenever I'm wearing fitted things and I want to make sure there's full coverage. So I stocked up while they were on sale, so I am probably good to go for the rest of the year. Speaking of looser garments, I also picked up this t-shirt. Don't try that at home, kids. It is this super cute, like muscle boxy. I'm just gonna throw it on top of the tank real quick. I'm just really loving like this sage green right now. Look how cute the armbands are. Oh, and yeah, you could wear a bralette underneath it, but honestly, the armholes are not too big. So if you did just want to get away with a sticky, you probably could. Oh, I wanted to try this. I'm always trying to find another dry shampoo. I did order the Living Proof dry shampoo while it was on sale because that's like my ride or die, but I wanted to try the Kristen S one. Isn't that what you do here? Yeah. I wanted to try the Kristen S one and see how it works. I'll keep you posted. And then I have a problem. I have a lot of problems probably. But I definitely have an accessories problem. I love them. I did pick up a few more sunglasses. Whoa! Talk about Hollywood oversized. Yes ma'am, yes ma'am. Oh my gosh. Those are so cute. Woo, it was just getting a little too warm. Okay, I told you I had a problem. Another pair, and another pair. But I don't have anything with this greenish lens on it. These are cute. If you haven't heard, the young ones, they wear their sunglasses like down here. Only nerds push them up, apparently, according to my teenager. So you gotta wear it down here to be the cool girl. Can't find my pocket. I'm like the least cool person I know, just FYI. Excited about these because I don't have anything in this color, and by color I mean not really a color, with the gradient lens. Okay. Oh my god, they're so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna link up all of these things for you. I hope some of them are still on deal, but I would say that all of them are worth full price. If you have any questions, let me know, and go have an awesome day, babes. Mwah.